Hey Jerry, I hope this finds you well. I'm gonna go over a couple of things real quick. Okay, so this is what the Centerline Gym uh, website looks like now. I can add a video graphic, like a little DVD cover graphic in here. Once you get that from Fiverr, that should be fairly easy. This should work right now without and too much of a problem. I can add another graphic in here if you'd like for something a little more fancy for a button. We can add a Twitter uh, button as well here for the share stuff. I just have to add that in. I added some of the testimonials from the postcards over here on the side. I have a red zone buy button over here on this side here and some more testimonials. And then as far as this stuff, it's just whatever copy you want me to put in here, I can make adjustments to and move things around as much as you'd like. Now, to get into the other stuff, basically what you wind up doing is you type in WP admin like that, and that will bring you to the admin page. Um, Unfortunately, this analytics bar hasn't been plugged in yet because I couldn't find my access to your Gmail account that you use so that I can sync up Gmail Analytics or Google Analytics with this particular thing, and it'll start tracking how many people are coming into the website and all, and it makes a nice little graph here. So if you can send along your Gmail login information, whatever you use for your pay-per-click stuff. I don't know where I put it. I can't seem to find it anywhere. Next thing is posts. If you want to go to the say you wanted to create stuff for the blog. So let's go to centerlinegym.com, and there's a blog here. You click on the blog. I added some of the blog posts that you had in here. Things can be adjusted and moved around if you'd like. Make some sidebars. We could make some other stuff around there as well. Um, if you want to add a post to the blog, you simply come to post. You click add new, and then you type in whatever it is and click publish, and it'll just show up at the top over here as a blog entry. So that's pretty self-explanatory. If you have any questions, give me a buzz. So that's for blog posts. Now, as for aweber, I will get you the information for access into aweber. So what you do is you go to aweber.com, log in, and then make sure that you're on the correct highlight. So this one I have highlighted as centerline is the one for your particular stuff. So what you want to do is once you go there, you can go to messages. Now you want either a follow-up message, a broadcast message, one of those two. So if you're making autoresponder forms, you want to go to follow-up message. Now it's going to say, okay, here's the one. So this is the first test one that I have. You can open that up right there, and it's simple. It's subject, whatever. You can put first name in brackets like this, and there's actually a little personalized button here, so you can click on that, and it gives you your choices of how you'd like it to look. I prefer first name, just keep it personal. Um, you have an HTML version, which allows you to see what it looks like HTML, and you also have a plain text version. Now that's important because you want to make sure that everything stays within this recommended width, because what happens is if somebody's looking at this on a BlackBerry, you want them to be able to read it without having to scroll all the way across their BlackBerry. It's a giant pain in the neck. So that's pretty much it. You would click video number one, video number two, whatever the title happens to be. You edit it, you do whatever you need to do, and then you just click save message. So that's pretty cut and dry on that side. The next thing is if you wanted to create a follow-up message, it's going to ask you, insert your subject line, personalize it, add whatever it is you want to add into it. There are templates as well. I would suggest not using those. But then the most important part here is the interval. Number two, meaning email number two, sent 4 days after the previous. Now you can make that 1 day, you can make that a week, you can make that however many days you want to make it. And you can actually have it set up so that they only deliver in certain days and certain times. So that's a real nice feature to have. And that's pretty much it. And if you wanted to do a broadcast, you just wanted to email everybody that was on the list, you Go through the same process. You create, insert a subject line, go through the whole process that way, and that's it. Now, as for the actual form, uh, I wouldn't futz around with that too much. I have a bunch of stuff in here. If you need me to change anything, just let me know. Uh, that's pretty much it. Let me know if you have any other questions about how to go about doing any of that stuff. I'll be happy to follow up with you. Let me know if you like the changes that I made on the site or if you want anything else adjusted. If you want to learn how to make one of these cool little videos that I did, you can join a website. It's called Screencast-O-Matic. I think it cost me like $10, and I'm able to record videos like this, and then I can upload them directly to YouTube, or I can just send them as a file. Usually, I upload them to YouTube. It makes it easier for describing what you need to have done, or what you want done, or what you want changed. For instance, like I can explain to you if I wanted this logo to fit the whole top from here to here, I can get this adjusted so that it would fit from here to here, and possibly get a repeat image that goes across so that it touches from angle to angle. I don't know if that's what you want or not. Please let me know. Makes life a little easier. And whatever you want to add as far as like the headline here, whatever graphic you want to put in here, whatever graphic you want me to use for the access button, um, any of that kind of stuff, just let me know, and I'll see if I can make it work exactly the way you want it to work. So I will talk to you later.